Hey there. Today we're going to look at Google Forms, how to use Form Ranger to populate options from a Google Sheet. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive. Over here, click on the New button and select Google Forms. After that, choose Blank Form. Then click on the Untitled Form field at the top and give your form a name. Over here, add your questions by clicking the plus icon on the right sidebar. After that, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner and select Get Add-ons. Then search for Form Ranger, click on it and install. Authorize your account and complete the installation. Over here, click on the puzzle piece icon, select Form Ranger and click Start. Then choose the spreadsheet you want to connect with your form. After that, select the range name from your sheet and finish the setup. Then enable auto repopulate to keep your form updated with any new changes in your sheet. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next